Hello, hello, hello to everybody. Today's lesson is going to be short but sweet. I don't want the light to be shining that much on my paper, so let's see if I turn, if that will help a little bit. Let me turn. I can see this. I hope you can see it too. Okay, so whatever I do, you're going to do in your notes. I just ruled off under my previous work. Today's date is the 29th of the year 2017, and today's lesson is really short. We're going to just put together everything that we've learned about percentages and say what we know about it and what we need to do about it. So first of all, the first thing that comes to my mind is we did is over of equals percent over 100, and you can do a lot with this. You can work out percent of an amount. You can work out is if you have percent and of. You can work out of if you have percent and is. Remember, the 100 is automatically there. So when they give you this work to do, you only need 2 of the other 3 to work out your answer. Examples of this in real life could be working out commission, tips. Another word for tip is gratuity. So commission, that's when people work at a place and for things that they sell they get a percentage commission as part of their salary. Salesmen at any car dealership or furniture place will probably work on commission. Tips or gratuity in America, it's usually 15% of the total bill. What else? Tax. Tax is percentage of. So for tax, they must give you the percentage and the amount that you have to work it out of, or they can even give you the percentage and the is, and you have to find the of. Now, tax in America is about 6.5 things that we need. Tax could be higher for things that we just want. Not need, just want. Okay? I can think of food being a 6.5% because we need to eat, and think of jewelry being higher because it's something that we want, something that we don't need. The other thing that we did was we worked on difference over the original equals percent over 100. Now the word difference literally means what is the difference between this amount and that amount. So examples of what we did there was work with percent of increase or decrease. Okay, good examples of that is when you own a business and you mark some of your things up, which means the price changed, it increased. And then of course discount, which means the price went down, decreased. In both these circumstances you will use difference over original equals percent over 100. Tomorrow we're going to do a different type of percentage question, but for today I want you to know that these were the 2 that we worked with. Alright, that being said, sometimes percentage is so easy to work with because they will say something like, what is 10% of $20? Okay, you can take this and you can put it into is over of equals percent over 100, or you can literally write an equation that says what is 10% will be boring 0.1, of will be multiply, and $20 will be 20. This is called the percent equation. Okay, so percent of is really easy to work out. We can change the percentage into a decimal, of will be multiply, and the amount will stay the same. Alright, places where kids get mixed up with is when the question says, what is the commission? And then another question says, okay, what is the commission? So what is the total number that the person got? Or the question may say, what is the tip? Or the question may ask you, what is the total amount after the tip? You must know when to take your answer that you worked out and add it to an original amount. You must also know when to subtract an answer that you worked out from an original amount. The tip here lies in the following. Read the question and find out what it is that they want you to do. Okay, that was it for today in a nutshell. You're now going to do a worksheet that covers all of this. Again, read your question properly to see what it is that they want from you. Thank you, guys. You can watch this on Google Classroom. I'll upload this and I'll give you a link to it, okay? Bye.